how to give your photos a new life in 2 minutes with AI and from your phone. I'm gonna show you how to use this app in not one but 2 different ways. The first one, a bit more hands-on, but way more customizable, and the second one, much simpler and quicker. So stick around till the end of the video if you want to know how. Let's go! Both techniques are available through Remix. You know, I'll drop the link in the description if you haven't downloaded it yet. And then you can check out loads of videos on how to get the best out of it in my channel. Let's start by using the image-to-image technique, where we'll use an image as a reference, and then we select from image inside Remix, then go to settings, pick a model. For this example, we'll try Albedo Base XL and upload an image. Could be ours or any other. We're gonna set a lowest weight, meaning the prompt has much more importance than the reference image. And we set this simple prompt, close up of a man in the city, dark purple and acid green pulp comic style, thrill, noirpunk aesthetic. Hold up a second. This works for this image, but you might need to tweak it slightly for others, depending on the subject or the object. Here, the heavy hitters are the colors, dark purple and acid green, and the pulp comic style, which adds a super cool touch to our images. The rest also plays a part, but not as much. Hit generate, and after a few seconds we'll have our image ready. Did you like it? I would love for you to leave your prompts and thoughts in the comments. Now let's move on to the second method, the one that's much cleaner, quicker and simpler. We are going to use remix filters. I've talked about these in previous videos you can find on the channel, but I wanted to make a special mention of a couple of new filters that the Remix crew has added to their catalog: DVZ and Steampunk. The first one will allow us to give our images a pure Akira Toriyama style touch, and second, a retrofuturistic vibe you're gonna love. Let's start with the first. It's as simple as going to create a new image and choosing a filter. If the one you want isn't listed, click See All to have them all at your disposal. We pick DVZ, in this case, an image, and a few seconds, yeah, done. Let's do the same with Steampunk. Again, we choose the image, and done again. What do you think? I love both methods. The first is much more adaptable to what you want each time, while the second is much faster and cleaner. Plus, you have a ton of filters you try, and every week the team adds a new filter to their catalog. Wanna give a shot? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and also any questions or what you'd like me to talk about in the next video. All feedback is super welcome. Takala, signing off. Bye bye guys.